good for kids. I like them. They are silver. They are very beautiful. Look, I like my nuts. They are perfect for kids. And if you put them one by one, it's very nice to touch and move them. And you can learn, for example, some letters or maybe numbers. For example, I can write a number 1. Pin, pin, pin. Number 1. Maybe I can draw a circle. Circle, circle, circle. Look, it's an oval, not a circle. Where is my circle? I hope it's a circle. Yeah. Look, I like my nuts. I made a circle. Let's start to make a triangle. Yeah. Triangle. Triangle. Where are you? Here I am. Here I am. How do you do? Triangle. Triangle. How are you? Let's start to make a square. Square has got 4 corners. Yeah? 1 corner, 2 corners. I'm making a square. Square, square, where are you? I don't know how to find you. Square, square, where are you? I think it's a rectangle. I would like to make a square. Square? Yeah? For example, 1, 2, 3, and 4. My square has got 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a square. Let's start to make a rectangle. I need this. Yeah. And just move a little. A little more. And here. And I have got a big, look, I have got a big rectangle. Let's start to make a circle. Circle, circle, where are you? I don't know how I can find you. I can use this to try to make a circle. I'm making a circle. Up, up, up. Move, move, move. I'm making a circle. I made a circle, but I would like to make one more circle. I like walking with my nuts. Is it a circle? No, a little bit. Let it be this circle. Yeah? Let it be... This is a circle. Round and round. I'm making a circle. This is a circle, round and round, like this. Round, round and round. If I put this here and move a little, can I make another, a little smaller circle? Let's see. Ba-bam! Yeah, it's a wonderful circle. Maybe let's start to make an oval, yeah? This is an oval. 1 knot, 2 knots, 3 knots. My hands are dirty. 4. 1, 2, 3 on the top. I am making a towel. I like my towel. My knots are small. I'm making a towel. The next time I would like to build bigger towel. I don't have time for today. Maybe I would like to make like this. Higher, higher, higher. One more try. Higher and higher. This is a very big, high towel. I like it. I like my nuts. Thank you for watching my video.